2. High-yield subjects and topics. Not all subjects are equally important. Prioritize your study time based on subject weightage. High-weightage subjects. General medicine. This is the highest yield subject and is a major determinant of your rank. Focus on topics like cardiology, respiratory medicine, gastroenterology and infectious diseases. General surgery. Another high-yield subject. Concentrate on topics like general principles of surgery, trauma and GI surgery. Obstetrics and gynecology, OB/GYN, a very important clinical subject. Pathology and pharmacology, these are the backbone of many clinical subjects. A strong foundation here will significantly help you in other areas. Preventive and social medicine, PSM, often overlooked, but it has a significant weightage and is a good scoring subject. High-yield topics, pharmacology, autonomic nervous system drugs, antibiotics, CNS drugs and chemotherapy. Pathology, hematopathology, inflammation and oncology. Microbiology, mycology, virology and bacteriology. Clinical subjects. For each clinical subject, focus on the most common diseases, their diagnosis and management. 3. Effective study techniques. The quality of your study matters more than the number of hours you put in. Active recall. Instead of passive reading, test yourself on the material you've just studied. Try to explain a concept without looking at your notes. Spaced repetition. Revisit topics at increasing intervals. This helps move information from short-term to long-term memory. MCQ practice. This is non-negotiable. It helps you understand question patterns, improve your speed, and apply theoretical knowledge. Don't just look for the correct answer. Analyze all options and understand why the others are wrong. Image-based questions. The NEET PG exam includes a significant number of image-based questions. Practice identifying common pathologies, anatomical structures, and clinical signs from images. 4. Choosing the right resources. Sticking to a limited number of high-quality resources is better than juggling too many. Online platforms. Many aspirants rely on online platforms like Marrow and PrepLadder, which offer video lectures, question banks, Q banks, and mock tests. Review books. For quick revision and to supplement your online learning, consider review books by popular authors like Dr. Deepak Marwa, Medicine, Dr. Preetesh Singh, Surgery, and Dr. Vivek Jain, PSM. Previous year question, PYQ papers. Solving PYQs is one of the most effective ways to understand the exam's focus and identify recurring topics. 5. Mind and body well-being. The NEET PG preparation journey is a marathon. Prioritizing your physical and mental health is crucial to avoid burnout. Take breaks. Follow a structured schedule that includes short breaks to refresh your mind. Stay hydrated and eat well. Proper nutrition is essential for cognitive function. Get enough sleep. Don't sacrifice sleep for late-night study sessions. A well-rested mind is more efficient. Manage stress. Engage in activities you enjoy to de-stress. Talk to friends or family for support. Study plan. A successful preparation strategy divides the entire syllabus into manageable phases. Phase 1, Foundation. Initial 3 to 4 months. Focus on building conceptual clarity. This is not about memorizing, but understanding the why and how. Cover all 19 subjects, starting with the pre- and paraclinical subjects, anatomy, physiology, biochemistry, pharmacology, pathology, etc., before moving to the clinical ones. Create concise high-yield notes. These will be your primary revision resource. Don't just reread textbooks. Actively engage with the material. Practice a dedicated number of MCQs daily, e.g., 80 to 100, to solidify what you've learned. Phase 2, Integration and Revision. Next 2 to 3 months. Start integrating your knowledge across subjects. For example, connect a concept from pharmacology with a related topic in medicine. Begin a thorough revision of the entire syllabus using your self-made notes. Solve subject-wise tests to identify weak areas. Analyze your mistakes and revisit those topics. Increase your daily MCQ practice to 100 to 150 questions. Phase 3, Rapid Revision and Mock Tests, final 1 to 2 months. This phase is entirely for revision and self-assessment. Conduct multiple rounds of rapid revision. Use flashcards, mnemonics, and summary charts to quickly recall volatile information. Take full-length mock tests at least once a week to simulate exam conditions. This helps with time management and builds stamina. Maintain an error notebook where you list questions you got wrong and the underlying concepts. Review this notebook regularly.